Hello everyone, good day, good morning or good midday. Today I will do a little bit of an unboxing of all the things I got from Hobonichi, but also my Kinbor planners. So I basically want to show and share with you what I got for the year 2026. I have a few different things here. I will start with the Hobonichi. This is a very special thing and I will open it together with you. As you can see, it is gilded with gold, your story. And this is some kind of envelope. Let me find the opening here on the side. And you can see it has a A5 or A6 cover. This is what it looks like. And it is embroidered. Embroidered. There we go. I got this because I already started a 5-year planner because that's what's in here. But I really wanted to redo it for 2026 till 2030 because I really liked to have something that ends with 2030. It really inspired me. And what I also really like is that you have this box, so you can just put it in here every day and then you can keep it closed, or after 5 years you can just store it in here. And when I saw this cover, I was just sold, and I liked all the goodies you got with it. So we also got a little bit of an artist card. This is all made by Iyo Okumi. And what it said here is embroidery artist and illustrator creating... Let me try again. Embroidery artist and illustrator creates simple and romantic artworks using embroidery and colored pencils. Works mainly through exhibitions. So as you can see, this is a little card that you get with it. I thought it would be a sticker, but it's not the case. But I will probably stick it somewhere to journal with it. What you also get is a pencil board. This is basically what you put behind the pages when you want to write something. And it will fit the little planner. Let me just open this up and shove this a little bit out of the way. And this is what it looks like. This is called a life book. Here we have some information on how it is done, all in Japanese. Seeing if there's a different language. No. But that is okay. This is basically the layout, so you can see you have little spaces to write down each week or each day. And you can just try it out. They also give you a little paper to try out your inks and see if it works well on the paper itself. And then the book itself, as you can see, is quite small. And this is for 5 years. So that's why I really like to get a cover for it. Because you just want to keep this neat. I think it's a very fun idea to just have something to write for 5 years. I actually had one that started in 2023. But life happens and you don't really journal every day. There are also just months and months and months that it's left blank. And I will try in 2026 to do it a little bit more or put it on a place that I can just use it more and that I won't really use it. So I really look forward to this one. If you're wondering what is the other one looking, that looks like this. And it has a nice little custom cover that I commissioned from an artist in the Netherlands. And this one, I will try and find a blank page. Here you can see I didn't write anything down here, and that's okay. Some pages have more, especially just the first day of the month, especially in the beginning I do it more. But yeah, there are also pages that are just left blank. And that is okay for me. I just hope that I will do it more in the new booklet with the new cover and the new experience. And for this one, I will probably use the remainder to write down bigger sentences or put on quotes or things like that, so it will not go to waste. But I like that I can start anew in the next year. So that's why I got it. And especially I like it since you cannot buy this cover separately. It is in a set. So you have to buy this cover or this journal to get the cover and this little thingy with the same artwork as the embroidery right here. I wish they had the tiger somewhere. but this is more calming, I guess. And I think over the years this will change color. I will probably drop some ink into it, but I feel like that will make this scene be more like the scene what we see here. So it will be more alive. And I do not mind, because I do like the stuff that I have to be growing with me as the years go on. So this is this little box. This was the... Ooh, let me check. Put it in here. This was the 5-year Techo gift set by the artist Iyo Okumi. And this one was called haconiwa. And I look forward to keep it in this box. I also bought 2 pens. I mainly use fountain pens, if you saw my channel before. But I also got these 2, and I look forward to try those out. They are the Tombow Reporter and the Pensha CCH3 with 0.38 or 83. 38. 83. 38. 38 millimeter. And that's this one. And then I like the novelty of a multicolor pen. And this is a brand that I haven't really tried before, so I look forward to trying that one out. I will do that later in a journal. To continue with the Hobonichi things, I got more from the same artist, so from Iyo Okumi. And these are basically the little things that I showed before. These are the pencil boards. You can put this, if you have a planner, you can put this behind what you're writing in the planner. And that makes it easier to write on, because the paper can be quite thin. So I got them in a few different sizes. This is the A6. And then you have a little bit of a description. I can open these, so I will show you what it looks like. This is the front. Really cute illustration, also with that kind of embroidery detail. I do not know if this was originally an embroidered piece. It does seem like it. And then this is the back. I find these really cute. Then we have the A5 version. This one is called Taste Good. This is the full artwork. This is the back. So we have the little dog or cat. I think it's a dog with some bears with taste great or taste good. Yeah, taste good. I just really like how calming this looks with the white. But still a lot going on, but yeah, still calming to look at. And this one, I think this is the most interesting design of the 3. Or at least the most, more of a scene. This one is called Happy Tea Time. And this is what it looks like. It is a detail for such a small piece. And this is the back. So pretty. So yeah, I will be putting these in my journals. For today, I only have a 6 journal to show you and a 5 journals. Or an A5 journal. And this one will be in my work planner, but that one hasn't arrived just yet. Then I also got this little notepad set. These come with 2 or 4 designs, as you can see here in the back, with the same illustrations of Iyo Okumi. And I just thought these were so pretty, and they are inspiring to create more artwork as well. You can see little creatures there. And there's also one sitting there. And then if we go to the half of the block, we also have this one. They're having a little picnic or sitting beneath the tree. And then for this one, it is this small artwork of someone going to a coffee house or seeing something about a coffee house. But I just really like how this all fits together, also with the plants in the white, and then it will match with the paper. Just really inspiring to me, really pretty to look at. I will put it back later. So that is the Hobonichi stuff. Let me put that to the side. And then for the other part are my Kinbor planners. I actually got quite a few for this year because I've been a Kinbor planner user for 2 or 3 years now, maybe even 4. But these are just so well made. I also use them to swatch my inks. I'm trying to do this not as loud as possible, but you hear that it's quite loud. Let me get it out. There we go. Basically, this is the 2026 A6 planner. Then I have 2 other ones from 2026. This is the same A6 size, but this is the split year book. And I really wanted to get this because it had those beautiful gilded designs embedded into the booklets itself. And I thought it would be easier to take this with me because even if this gets bulky, it will not get as bulky as a full A6 book. But I look forward to trying them and just using them. I do not have a specific purpose for these 2 yet, or for these 3 yet. But that will happen. What I really like and what I wish they would do is that they would make just normal notebooks with this specific paper. It holds ink very well. I use it for ink swatching in other booklets. It's just my daily writing journal. And I just really like it a lot. And every year they're getting better and better. So this is also a cover where they put the details that they like stamped it into there. So you can see it is imprinted in there with a cat and dog and Kinbor. And also some details here. Nature into art. A little bit of butterfly. These leaves don't really have a lot on the back. Only keep imaginative and be on the road. So yeah, and then for the big boy. Oh, before that, when you order one of these planners, you also get a little booklet, basically telling you how to use it and what all the little things that are inside this planner. And on the back side, you have a poster for the next year, for 2026. And because it's the year of the horse, you get their mascot in a horse costume. So yeah, for the year of the horse, I always kind of choose the cover with a bright cover, like the Chinese horse or whatever, because I will put this in a different cover. So I will not be able to see this, but I like that I can differentiate what year it is by comparing the covers with this one versus the one from last year or the year before that, because they also had the Chinese zodiac. I already put some planner stickers on here, basically to easy get to each month. But if you don't want to use those sticky tabs, in the planner itself, you can see they have those little colored gray little blocks. And that way, when you open your planner, you can see them. Or in this way, you can kind of see them if you open it up. And then you can see where you are in the year. These were from Johan Studios. Very nice. I try to use them every year if I have them still. A few years ago I bought quite a few of them, so that was really nice. To show you the inside, you will start with the 2025-2026, so just the year in view. Then you have separate date things. You can probably plan things out, or habit trackers. You can use these for that. Then you have your overall monthly planners. And then if you continue, you get your daily pages. So what I really like is that you just have a very big page. And only on every right page you will have a little date stamp on where you are in the month. I wish they didn't have this because I never look at this. Usually I cover it up. But it could be handy for the people who just want to know where are we, in what week or when. And then if you compare it to the A6 version, you can see this is a way more compact journal to take with you. You can see you can fit 2 of these in one of the A5. So if you just write less, or maybe you want to do to-do list in one of these books, you can use them whatever you want or however you want. For me, I always have this journal on my desk. Let me show you one that I'm currently working on. I will not show you the pages, but I just have a very big leather cover for this one with some charms. The same kind of Johann tabs. This is what it looks like from the side. You can see we still have a little bit left. But these are all the months. No, sorry. Gonna see if I can show you anything. I do use another one of those Hobonichi paper things where I forgot the name. Let me check. Pencilboard. So I do use these pencil boards, and I just really like that you can put them in there and then you can write. Because these pages are a little bit, they are quite thin. And this way you have a little bit more extra support when you are writing in it. So that is the one from this year. I look forward to starting in a new one. Yeah, I'm just a really big fan, and I would highly recommend checking them out if you like to write with fountain pens, you would like some kind of Hobonichi planner, but do not want to pay the price, for example, because Hobonichi items can get quite expensive. And I just like that I usually get quite a few, and if I don't finish them in time, I use them for scrap paper or notes or whatever. And they're getting better every year. So this one, the pink one, also has different ribbons. This one is pink and green, while these have black and a gold kind of color. It's not really shiny, so it's more of a cream color. And the red one it does have the red strings for this. I usually use them, one for the month and one for the daily page, if I have my book closed. I think that is everything I want to show you today. These are all the new things that I've gotten already for 2026 or planner season or the new times. I just really look forward to trying all these things out, and I'm happy I got all these things from the specific artist. She inspires me, and I look forward to using her cover with my 5-year journal to enjoy it every day, if I can, for 5 years straight, or at least try to keep the habit of being grateful every day and writing that down. I think that's the gist of it. I might make another video of trying these papers out if you are interested, but for now, this is all I got for you. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. My name is Zoibu, or Zoe, and I'm a mixed media artist from the Netherlands, and I hope you enjoyed this. I'm also a fountain pen user and whatever. And my work started again, so I will be getting quite busy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope, please answer this question if you can. Did you get a planner? What kind of planner did you get? And how are you planning on using it? Maybe it's a sketchbook, a diary, really for work. Everything can work. So let me know. Okay. Bye-bye. I hope you liked it. I was quite nervous. It has been a while since I filmed something. Okay. Okay, bye. Oh, and don't forget to eat something nice today if you can. For me. Okay, bye.